Often with knee pain, there's tightnesses in the hamstrings and quads, hips area that could lead to imbalances in the knee that could help definitely contribute to pain. So I'm going to show you a really efficient way to work around your hip as well as your hamstring and glutes in a sequence of stretches that can be easily done on the floor, at home, with a belt or a strap. I happen to have a nice, I call it a stretch strap here, but you could use any type of belt or rope or anything. But it's nice because it's going to be safe on your back, safe on the joints. I'm going to have you start reclining on the floor so your back is stable, and then we're going to put that strap at the bottom of your arch on one of your feet, because when we strap the arch instead of the toe, we're going to get more of the hamstrings. So that's an important position of our thing about having the strap in a certain spot. And then we're just reaching the heel up and maybe even contracting the quad to help stretch the hamstring, which is often a key problem in people with knee pain or imbalances in their lower extremities. So you want to stay in these stretches for at least 30 seconds, whether you count it, watch a clock, breathe slowly for 5 to 10 breaths, it's up to you. But stay there and you'll start feeling that your muscles, the stretch receptors get the message that you're stretching, and they're going to help release a little bit and help your muscles stretch. Then we're going to work on the inner thigh and just take the leg out to the side. So we're in a real efficient way here. We can stretch all the way around your hip, stretching the inner thigh muscles that often are very tight. And then you'd stay there for 30 seconds, put the straps in the other hand, bring that leg across, and now we're getting more of the IT band area and into your hip and glute. That, again, it's a really nice way to stretch all the way around your hip on the outer leg. And then we're going to go to the front of the leg just by laying on our side body, keeping that strap on the back of your leg, or on your foot, and then take the foot behind the glute or behind the hip, so that now you can either hold it with the hand or take your hand onto the ankle, and now we're getting the quad and the hip flexor, that can be tight, imbalanced. So we want to give that a little bit of stretch time as well, and just press that leg into the hand, and that will enhance the stretch in your hip flexor and your quad. It'll take less stress on the knee. And those basically 4 stretches then work all the way around the hip, the quad, and the hamstrings to hopefully provide some good flexibility and mobility in your lower leg.